Welcome to another episode of the Mallorca Uncovered. Today I am in the village of Pollensa, not the port, but up in the village. So we're going to have a look around how it looks in the winter season. It's now been voted one of the nicest villages on the island, and I thought we'd give it a quick look around.
Pollensa boasts a rich history, shaped by various civilizations. The town's name is derived from the Roman settlement of Pollentia. During the Islamic period, the area was known as Pollensa. Following the Christian conquest in the 13th century, Pollensa was established inland to safeguard it against pirate attacks. The town witnessed a significant event, including the Battle of the Christian Reconquest of the expedition of King James I of Aragon, notably in 1550. The victory is commemorated annually on the 2nd of August, with a reenactment known as Moros versus the Christians.
I'm here outside the Museo de Pollensa, and as you can see, there's an art exhibition about to take place, which unfortunately opens on the 7th of February, and at the time of filming it's the 3rd of February, so unfortunately I can't go in there. But beautiful sunny day up here, and lots of people around. And this is one of the small calles leading into the main square.
If you're here on Sunday, don't miss the bustling local market where people will be selling local crafts and local produce. From here you can take a walk to the Calvari Steps. There are 365 steps. Climbing these steps leads you to a quaint little chapel. The Phoenicians and later the Romans controlled the island. The Romans founded the nearby Alcudia, Pollentia, in 123 BC.
And then once you've made it to the top, you're greeted with these incredible views. village of Pollensa is far more residential, with locals living in the village, as opposed to the port, which tends to be more of the tourist destination. Now jumped on the bus and I'm down in the port of Pollensa, and as you can see, buildings are far more modern. There are more people walking around, and the port relies mainly upon its tourist industry, so most of these people are service workers, or it's the main square. Most of the centre's closed down at the moment, as tourist season closes until the 1st of April. When things reopen and business starts all over again. Lots of renovations taking place.